Hello, this is a video about Hooke's law and what happens when you apply forces to objects and they deform. So to deform an object you need to apply more than one force to it. In this case we've got some pictures of springs and we're imagining a force pulling down on the spring, but also don't forget that there's a force here at the top resisting. That's what's making the spring stretch. Now most objects, or many objects, obey Hooke's law, and that means they deform elastically, and that means that the amount of force you apply to it relates directly to the amount of extension, how much it stretches. So springs are a great example of that. There are other things like elastic bands which actually don't follow that law, so they would deform inelastically. Anyway, the formula governing elastic deformation is Hooke's law. F equals KE. So F is the force you're applying, E is the extension you get, and K is a constant known as the spring constant. By the way, F equals KE also applies to the restorative force. The two things are counteracting. So if you apply 10 newtons force down, then the spring will be pulling up with 10 newtons force. So that's basically the main part of it, is to say the extension is proportional to the force. So if you double the force here, you're going to double the extension. Notice the extension is how much it's gone from its original length. We're not doubling the length of the spring, only the extension. That's it. Hope that was useful. Thanks for watching.